Okay, to clean the printer, we need to clean it every 1000 card. Open up, take out the ribbon. Alright, take out the ribbon, close, take out the card, put it to this side. Then you go to here, you turn on tools, you go to advanced cleaning. We're going to do advanced cleaning. Alright, so then you select the printer, then you go next. Alright, you see prepare the printer, and this is actually the step where you remove everything. Then you go next again, prepare the T card, you tear out. This is a T card, there's alcohol inside, huh? So the shape is like that, right? T shape, right? And then you wait for this light to blink. So you look for the light to blink here, and you're going to insert. Okay, so the light is blinking now. Okay, then insert the card in. So take a look at how to insert the card in. Alright, you take the card, you push it in, then it will catch on. Oops. Okay. Wait while it process first.